Welcome to the Executive Guide to Artificial Intelligence, an original content series from businessleaders.ai. This episode, the AI Business Canvas, is a technique that helps you create and communicate your AI strategy. A key first step is communicating your vision and ideas to other stakeholders so you can further develop the concept into reality. Our AI Business Canvas is a toolkit that lets you do just that. One of my favorite models has been the Business Model Canvas, which Alex Osterwalder and Yves Pigneur articulated so well in their book, Business Model Generation. I have often leveraged this in my consulting career. I have created the AI Business Canvas on similar principles. This lets you jumpstart your AI innovation journey. The AI Business Canvas ties together critical elements of any AI initiative in a concise and coherent way that can be used to communicate, strategize, and further develop and successfully execute the project. Let's take a quick walk through the canvas. At the heart is number 1, the value proposition block, where you define what value is being created by your AI initiative. To deliver that value, number 2, the customer block dives into consumers of the value. Number 3, the revenue block, validates if, and what, consumers are willing to pay for that value. Let's shift to value creation. Number 4, the data block talks about data, the pulse of any AI initiative, and addresses what and how data will be used by your AI. Invariably, you need transformations. This is where your AI comes in the form of algorithms and models, as depicted in number 5, the AI transformation block. For all these activities, you need resources and equipment, shown in number 6, the resources block. That leads to number 7, the cost block, as you need investment to engage resources. Once the value is created, you need to sustain it. Number 8, the metrics block, talks about how you will measure success and other parameters of the AI initiative. Finally, number 9, the operations block, addresses issues like privacy, governance, integration, and operationalization. In subsequent parts, we will take a deep dive through each of these blocks, so you can become familiar with using this in your own projects. You can download the AI Business Canvas template for free from our website, businessleaders.ai, and adapt it for your own use, even at work. This is being published under a Creative Commons Attribution 4.0, or CC BY license, which means you can use it in all your endeavors, with attribution to Vineet Sawant, businessleaders.ai. As a blueprint for your AI strategy, the AI Business Canvas lets you communicate your plan for defining, creating, delivering, and sustaining value to the organization through the AI initiative. You have ideas, but articulating it to stakeholders is important to get the necessary buy-in. Stakeholders like business sponsors are interested in the value creation, feasibility, and governance aspects, while technologists like data scientists and machine learning engineers would think about the data aspects and transformations, and project managers and developers are focused on implementation and integration of the idea. How can you communicate the same idea to different stakeholders to give them a single sense of the vision? The AI Business Canvas is a key starting point to creating your business case. The 9 blocks that make up the AI Business Canvas can be split across 4 groups along the value lifecycle: defining value, delivering value, creating value, and finally, sustaining value. We hope you enjoyed part 1 of this executive guide on the AI Business Canvas, from businessleaders.ai. The next part of this episode will focus on each of the individual blocks so you can get a complete business overview of this AI strategy topic. Remember, you can download and adapt this template for your own use under a Creative Commons Attribution license. Contact us at businessleaders.ai with any questions or comments. Hope to see you soon.